Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Prime. Today we're going to be doing a video test on the Pixel 3 XL, and right now we're just doing a low light test. So this is what it would look like if you were to shoot your room very dark. Since I have all my lights turned off, what I'm trying to really show you is you're going to need light. Like, it doesn't have to be a lot, but just a little bit of light would make a whole lot of difference if you're planning on using this phone indoors. So yeah, as you can see, even the natural light from the windows, you get way less noise, and even turning on these little lights, you actually get a way better shot. So make sure you guys have some lights. So yeah, this is my room before all the lights turned on, and now we're gonna turn them on, and as you can see, the camera loves light, so the more light you can give it, the better. Okay, now let's do a focus test. So basically, I'm going to move up and down and see how fast the autofocus system actually works. As you can see, it works pretty well. And now this part is for the stabilization, which is actually pretty good. Obviously not as good as the iPhones and latest Samsungs. As you can see, when you start running, it just goes crazy. So yeah, don't run using your Pixel. And now we're gonna move on to a slow motion test. So you actually are limited to 720p 240 fps, so that's not great, but at least you get the option to shoot slow motion. And again, I actually can't really tell much of a difference between 720p and 1080p. The shot still looks pretty decent to use. Anyways, shooting random things like trees and environments, you actually get pretty nice shots, nice dynamic range, pretty good colors, and barely any noise, so that's great. So yeah, I'm just shooting some B-roll with the original iPhone, and it looks pretty nice. The grass is very green, just like it is in real life, and the contrast is pretty good. Though one thing that's lacking is a high dynamic range in video. As you can see, the skies are a bit blown out. So yeah, here's me panning across the entire creek, and the shot is overall very smooth. If you really wanted a phone to shoot good video and have awesome photos, the Pixel 3 XL is definitely a good option to choose, even in 2020, as it's pretty much the same as the Pixel 4. What's up guys, welcome back to the audio portion of this video. So let me know on how it sounds, and if you're wondering, the ultra wide is actually a little bit worse in terms of quality. If you guys didn't know, the ultra wide is actually a little bit less of high quality, so it looks a little bit worse. So yeah, you may tell the difference, but normal is definitely way better looking. And yeah, that's it. That's my video test for the Pixel 3 XL. Make sure you guys subscribe, as I will be doing a picture test in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.